Okay, let's go and do the fun part, the
fun
custom
part,
widgets.
yes.
Yeah.
So let's create a new widget. No, wait, we did already. Braille input, we called it, right?
Allez, let's take a look. Yeah, it's already here.
So the state, let's start from the state, perhaps. What is your state? So what do we have here? We have 6 circles. They can be 6 booleans.
Okay.
Or do we want to create an array of booleans? Like, how do you prefer to do it?
So the way it's represented in Java code is basically, it's kind of like a vector.
Yeah, okay, we can do that.
So, and then each vector has like either 1s or 0.
Sure.
So
okay.
I just expanded it out. So
so inside the state, we can have, so let's have this, do you have a name for it? Like, I don't know, dots?
Sure.
So in Dart, there's no private modifier. The way you do private is that you start the name with an underscore.
Okay.
And the compiler will enforce that it's private.
Oh, it will enforce it, unlike JavaScript, which is kind of, you know.
Yeah.
Well, maybe it has changed. I haven't done, disclaimer, I haven't done JavaScript for a long time.
No.
But, okay.
So yeah, so you can start by saying the type. So you probably want like a list.
Okay. I was going to say array, but I guess that's not a thing.
No. List of Boolean. Probably
small
yeah, small caps. Yeah, and then you do underscore dots, yeah, and then equals, and we can start with probably, how do we want to do them? Like all, no, you can do the square brackets.
This I understand.
Which is cool, without new even.
Ah, okay, yes.
And then
I need to do this?
No, do true or false.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Well,
I was not trying to have all those type fun.
Would you do true or false?
False. Yes.
Actually,
right.
you know what? There's probably a way to do like
fill it in.
Yeah. You can probably try from list perhaps, like new list dot.
Okay.
Fill.
Oh, filled.
So the length is gonna be and fill is false. Yes, and grow will false. Yeah. So this is a list that cannot grow. Which is exactly what we want.
Yeah, because Braille don't want to grow.
And you're missing, unfortunately, I hope they get rid of that. But yeah.
Sorry, I'm in Kotlin land in my head.
I know. It's getting there. So this is your state, okay?
I love that we've, come up with like trying to build it more intelligent. I was just like, let's me copy and paste.
No.
Okay.
So now, how do we do this? Can you think about how we can do that?
We'll have 6 small widgets.
Yes, how do we arrange them?
What do you mean, how do we arrange them?
I mean, these are like, it seems like they're 2 columns and 3 rows.
I see. So I guess each dot is a custom widget, and then we put them inside.
Yeah, we can do that.
Should we do the dot first?
That's a good idea.
Okay.
Let's create a dot widget, which...
Stateless.
Yeah, I mean...
Oh, we click them a lot, though. I mean, it toggles between on and off a lot.
Again, this is so fast. No, it's not a lot. Do it stateless, so we can make it easier. Do it stateless, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just dot. So this is public. It's funny because when it creates for example, the state for you, it's automatically private. It's fine if it's public. Like it's up to you, but just so you know, right?
I'll make it private because nobody else using it. So.
And so what we want is we want to draw a shape, pretty much. So, first of all, right, we want to have one piece of data that is injected at construction time, which is, are you filled or not?
Okay.
And so we can have a final
The word inject really scares me, but continue.
No, you'll see. That's a good injection, like constructor injection.
I'm like, dependency injection, no!
No. So you can say just final.
Okay, I can
type.
Because it's, Final,
bool.
Okay.
Field, I don't know how you want to call it. Field or active or toggled, whatever.
Yeah. I can't name things.
Yeah, it's fine.
Field sounds good. Equal false or no? Oh, it's final. I cannot equal.
No, because you.
That's why it's injected.
That is why it's injected.
Dramatic breath.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
And you want to get this into the constructor automatically, and we can put it up. Wait, how was it? Yeah, like this. And then in our build function, we want to return something, right? So we're gonna do we are just gonna do this, and then instead of a container, we want this sort of circle, right? So
Well, I don't know. I don't know what's a container. So
oh
maybe.
yeah, no, container is a commodity thing to draw, like the border padding things. Actually, wait a second. Maybe container is what we want.
Sometimes people think it's obvious. It's not.
So if we jump into container, do we have a shape of some kind? Color, decoration? Decoration. What is it?
Decoration.
We have geometry. No, that's not the one we want. Blah 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 blah. Wait. No, it's
I don't know
not
what's a
what we
decoration,
want.
but
It's
that's
something
not look
to
good.
give colors to things, pretty much.
Ah,
So
no, we
now
want
that
shape.
we want a shape. Actually, so if we do like search, no. You have it different from me. Damn. Is it? No. How do you search for classes?
I don't know.
You have different key bindings.
Oh,
just class.
I do Command O, but
Command O. Okay.
Yeah.
For me, that's override. All bindings.
Control O is override.
Yeah.
okay.
It's opposite.
I also usually use Linux, so I'm just making things up.
All right. All right. That works. So if you do shape,
Okay.
just searching literally, we do have a shape decoration.
Okay.
Which is interesting. And what is that? It's how to paint a shape. It provides a way to draw a shape border, which is kind of what we want.
Yeah, so basically, I'll just click on one of it to show.
Yeah, so I think that's exactly
So
what
when it's
it shows even an example here.
not filled, and it just has the border, and then when it's filled, it's just filled it completely. So,
And then what do we have? We have a color, image, gradient, shadow, and shape.
oh, it's like the XML drawable, it looks
I think
like.
it is. And then
Yeah.
shape, border. That's the... and we have what? We have... Wow, we can do lots of things. That's amazing. So let's see how to... Like, I never used it before. So
This is why we do pair programming,
Yeah,
so we
pretty
can
much.
do things on the spot.
So actually, let's keep containers, surprisingly. And we do... so what? We do decoration.
Okay. Decoration.
Yeah, and then
New shape border.
Yeah.
Oh,
shape
border or
decoration.
shape decoration, yeah. Okay.
Right. Oh, there was a from.
Yeah, I just saw that too. But we don't want
From
box.
box. Okay, no, that's fine.
Yeah.
Then shape. So I'm guessing new. Try that. Shape border was.
No, shape border is
Yeah, the shape.
Wait, what? A U type? I don't know.
I'm not sure, but I think border. 8. And no, wait. How do you? No, it's something that extends shape border. And in particular, where are the? Wait, find usages. What extends? No.
We are using it unsuccessfully.
Well, it's probably something like. Oh wait, it was common. Oh, yeah, right.
Yes, come on.
Shape. Oh well. So one cool thing is that normally they tend to declare all these things in the same class. So if you just keep scrolling, I am reasonably sure that compound border.
Can we just click on structure and see?
Oh,
this?
that's also smart. Shape
This
border.
is faster to scroll here.
Yeah, it's true. Oh, actually, I don't. Inner path, outer path, but I'm sure they have like circle. Oh, actually, wait. Circle.
Circle border.
Easy. So this is without going with any documentation, right? And it's easy. So instead of new shape border, it doesn't make any sense. New circle border.
All right.
That is more what we expect. What do we have? Side. Is that like, how big is it? Like, what if we don't say anything? The argument side must not be null. By default, is none.
I assume it's the actual border, but maybe not. I'm thinking of like CSS when you can do solid versus dotted, but making things up here.
Border side is width and style.
Let's click through other style there.
None
Solid.
solid.
吵架.
Holy shit.
Maybe they have dotted later, but yeah, that's how CSS has the border.
Okay. So we probably want. So in this case,
We want solid.
Well, it depends on the state, right?
Well, if it's the same color, then
No. I mean, it depends if it's filled or not. Like, depending on this.
well, I'm just saying that the color and the border is the same when it's filled right now, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, but depending on the bool field,
Yeah.
it's either fully filled
Yes.
Or just
Yes.
the border?
Yes.
So we can add an if here.
I'm confused. Type so that I can see it, but let me close this. So yeah.
So
Yeah.
we're creating the widget just for this part.
Yeah.
And we are telling it either you are a filled dot or a non-filled
Right.
dot. If you are filled,
Yeah. Okay.
then here, actually wait, no, we probably need to do it outside though. Sorry. Oof. Let's make it back into a block. We want something like, final. How was this called? Shape? No, I can't remember the name of this thing. Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Roll back. Why don't we just draw something that is hollow inside and then add logic, because this is too much. I can't deal.
That's a good point.
I can't
okay.
deal.
We can do that. We can do that. Totally.
I can check out. I don't know what you're doing.
You have a different key binding also for deleting lines.
It is all default. There's no key binding. You have a different key binding.
I do. No.
don't blame me.
Super fair. Okay, so border side was gone. Okay. So let's just do nothing and see what happens.
It will. Yeah, because you have to have none.
Probably none draws nothing, but yeah.
No, the documentation said you have to have something. And just do it.
Let's do it.
My memory may not be.
And inside container, let's actually add a dot for the sake of having something.
New dot, just like that?
Yeah. And we need to say if it's filled or not, whatever. For now, doesn't matter. No? Why don't you like it?
Too many positional arguments.
Oh, inside dot container, sorry. Yeah, an idiot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
It returns dynamic. Why? No, it doesn't. Wait, what? Wait a second.
So.
Did we make? Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. I'm the one that is. I want it private. It must have the same name somewhere else or something, like another
probably,
dot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It found issues.
It found issues. I wonder what the issue is.
I probably fucked up when I tried to close the.
Oh, okay. I thought it's yeah.
Yeah, because this is the build function, but then we.
The class itself.
Double close.
Yeah. Let's save it. Or yes, format.
That's better.
Yes.
And nothing happened because I think.
Oh, so you don't actually need the border then, probably.
No, because I think the problem is that none means don't draw anything.
Oh, okay.
So. So here now.
Yeah, I can type.
Yeah, let's do like a side border side dot.
Solid?
No, that was a CircleBorder from or something. No, I can't remember now. Was it side? I don't think it was side. It was the other property. Style or? Oh, this is for the color, which is in and the width.
Width.
And then inside has the style.
And then style. Okay.
So border side. Okay.
Okay.
So new border side.
Yeah. New. Feel like it's like turtle all the way down.
Yeah.
I'm just saving for like I'm just saving so that I can format, and then it's like
probably I
it
see
draws
now.
something.
Okay. Cool. Okay. This is happening.
There must be a default width and just take over the whole.
Probably 0 means 1 pixel. Normally you work in like DP, like device specific.
But it looks like fill. Like it's filling. It's making it as big as possible.
But that we already did before. Yeah. So by default.
No, but I put it at the parent, not at the child. You know.
This is the child. We have one container with 1 dot, and that's it.
Right.
So actually, while we're here,
but I'm asking the top level to expand, not the inside to expand. You know what I mean?
So this is expanded, but also this is expanded. 2/3.
All right, I need to inspect. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, so.
I think if you click, there's a way to highlight it pretty much. Click once more, because it was selected before, and then click on the circle.
That's what I was trying to do.
Or maybe not, because it should appear. I don't know why it's not appearing.
Braille input container, and then the
code. do a refresh. Maybe it's not. It's not up to date.
Okay.
There you go. And there you go.
Okay. Oh. Interesting. No, because my problem is my problem. My lack of understanding is that this expanded. Inside, there's a Braille input, and inside there's a dot. So why is the dot expanding? I thought only the Braille input is expanding.
That's not how it works. So Flutter has a different model than Android in the sense that it's more like the box model that CSS, HTML has. Okay. In the sense that things don't know their position relative to anything. Right. You're just given like a min, max, width, and height. Okay. And based on those constraints, you decide how big you would want to be, and then you get positioned somewhere. So in this case, these children probably have no requirements. So they say, if you give me that space, I'm just going to fill it.
Just the default is to fill it versus the...
It depends on the widget. Like, it's really up to what's happening.
Okay.
So.